good news. You gotta pick up a room today, okay? Ethan, can I see your stuffy?
Have a great time.
Come and give me some lovin'. Let mommy go, okay? Bye, we'll see you later. I love your stuffy. Bye.
It's fine. Sorry.
It's okay. Max.
Nah.
No,
Don't kick me. I'm gonna have to put you down.
let me try.
Nah. Let me try. Nah.
Max, come here. Look at me. You're okay. Okay. Mommy be back soon. Look at. The louder you cry does not mean mommy's coming back. Now, mommy has Max. Deep breath. Deep breath. I know you miss mommy. I know. Okay. Do you want me to open up your drink for you? Do you want me to open your drink? Careful, you don't want to poke yourself. Get another black and blue or amp, right? Ready? Oh, what kind do you have?
Yesterday it was yellow. I
Good
think it was
job.
banana yesterday.
There you go. Okay. I like your straw. Did mommy get that for you? That's pretty awesome. Okay. You good now? Okay. Good job. So you gotta use your words, hon, so we know what you want, okay? Okay?
Oh, look, there's a glove. I'm taking my pants.